The Pixel 9 Pro XL, the largest model in Google's latest lineup, boasts an impressive 6.8-inch display, showcasing Google's cutting-edge technology. However, it faces strong competition in the large phone market, particularly from Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, which also features a 6.8-inch screen and stands as one of the top smartphones available. Let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two premium devices. From a design standpoint, the Pixel 9 Pro XL features a sleek aluminum body with a primarily flat design, aligning with current trends. Visually, it stays true to the recognizable Pixel aesthetic, but with some changes. The rear camera strip has been redesigned, moving away from the distinct 3D visor look of previous Pixel models. In contrast, the Pixel 9 Pro XL maintains a more traditional candy bar design, with a matte rear panel and a glossy, flat side frame, retaining the overall style of earlier Pixel flagships. The rear camera island has also been slightly altered, replacing the 3D visor found on older Pixels. Both phones are equally durable, boasting IP68 water and dust resistance. This rating ensures that both devices can be submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes without sustaining damage. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, features a mostly flat titanium frame with a subtle curve for better ergonomics. It's Samsung's largest traditional phone of 2024, featuring a completely flat 6.8-inch display. As with previous Galaxy models, the S Pen is included and neatly stored in its silo. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is lighter than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, though it is slightly wider and taller. This makes the Galaxy S24 Ultra, despite being the heavier device, a bit more comfortable for one-handed use due to its narrower design. In terms of color options, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is available in obsidian, porcelain, rose quartz, and hazel. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a wider range of colors, including titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, titanium yellow, titanium blue, titanium green, and titanium orange. While the displays of the two phones differ slightly in size, the differences are minimal. The Pixel 9 Pro XL sports a 6.8-inch Super AXUA screen with a dynamic refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz. It's a premium QHD+ OLED display that can reach a peak brightness of 3000 nits, surpassing the 2400 nits achieved by the Pixel 8 Pro. This impressive brightness level outshines the Galaxy S24 Ultra in this key aspect. Similarly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 6.8-inch QHD+ display with a smooth 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. Samsung has also upped its game in the brightness department, with the S24 Ultra reaching up to 2500 nits of peak brightness under optimal conditions. However, this isn't enough to surpass the new top Pixel. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by the Tensor G4 chip, continuing the trend of its predecessors by focusing heavily on on-device AI and machine learning, rather than sheer performance. AI takes center stage with the Tensor G4, providing a specialized platform for all things related to artificial intelligence. All Pixel 9 models feature Gemini Nano with multimodality, exclusively running on the Tensor G4. According to Google, this is their most advanced on-device AI model, capable of understanding text, speech, images, and audio. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which is one of the top performers in 2024. Known for excelling in synthetic benchmark tests, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is also highly efficient, despite being built on a 4nm process. The Pixel 9 Pro XL packs a substantial 16 GB of RAM, more than sufficient to handle all AI-related tasks on the device. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with 12 GB of RAM, which is ample for most needs, but might not be as future-proof given the growing demands of AI. When it comes to storage, the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers options of 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is available in 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB variants. Both Google and Samsung have committed to a robust 7-year software update policy, ensuring that the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Galaxy S24 Ultra will receive support until 2031. Interestingly, the Pixel 9 Pro XL doesn't ship with Android 15 out of the box. Instead, it comes with Android 14, with an update to Android 15 expected later this year. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also launches with One UI 6.1, based on Android 14, but Samsung is likely to roll out One UI 7, based on Android 15, shortly after Google officially releases the update. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 50-megapixel primary camera with an f-stop 1.68 aperture and a large 1 by 1.31-inch sensor. Its ultra-wide and 5x telephoto lenses are both 48 megapixel, with apertures of f-stop 2.8 and f-stop 1.7, respectively. Despite not having dedicated cameras for every zoom level, the Pixel 9 Pro XL achieves optical quality zoom at 2x and 10x through sensor cropping and hybrid zoom technology. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is packed with AI and software-driven features, including Pro Controls, ADMI, macro focus, night sight, astrophotography, portrait mode, face unblur, long exposure, action pan, real tone, panorama, top shot, and frequent faces. Additionally, both the Pixel 9 Pro XL and Galaxy S24 Ultra offer AI-powered tools like Magic Editor, Magic Eraser, Best Take, Photo Unblur, Zoom Enhance, and Portrait Light. As for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it retains the same camera setup as the S23 Ultra, but with a significant change. Instead of a 10-megapixel periscope camera with 10x optical zoom, it now features a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This adjustment turned out to be an upgrade, as the device still achieves 100x space zoom but with better zoom quality, which is crucial in such scenarios. So, which one are you going to buy? Let us know in the comments section. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share with your friends for more content like this on your feed.